Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome to our English period. Now, in today's session, let us discuss the question answers of this lesson. So, the first question here is, how were epics transmitted from generation to generation? So, the answer is here. The epics were composed. You will begin the answer from here. The epics were composed and sung or recited for many years before they were actually written down, full stop. This is how they were transmitted from generation to generation. Now the next question. Have you seen any of these stories in TV, serials or movies? Yes, we saw serials of the epics Ramayana and Mahabharata in the TV or on TV. Next, who are considered to be the authors of epics Ramayana and Mahabharata respectively? So we already discussed their names. The author of Ramayana was Sage Valmiki and the author of Mahabharata was Sage Vyas. Why is Homer honored with the title Father of European Poetry? Homer is honored with the title Father of European Poetry because he composed and recited two big famous epics, the Iliad and the Odyssey. The next question. How did the location of Troy help it to grow into a very rich, prosperous city? So the answer is here. Troy, a rich trading city, was located near the Black Sea. Troy, a rich trading city, was located near the Black Sea. It was well situated both for commerce and agriculture. In front of the city was the sea over which sailed the ships of Troy carrying goods and grain. At the back rose the high peak of Mount Ida, from which flowed many rivers and streams. The valleys among the hills were well watered and fertile, with corn growing in fertile fields and cattle feeding on the rich grass of the meadows, while sheep fed on the slopes of the hills. So this is the answer. Next is the next question. How were the Trojans protected during wartime? A strong wall was built round the city of Troy to protect it from enemy attack from the sea. The walls had great gates. Fine. Now the next question. What was the cause of the 10-year-old war between the Greeks and the Trojans? Helen, the queen of Greece, was the cause of the 10-year-old war between the Greeks and the Trojans. The soldiers of Troy and Greece were mighty and valiant. They remained invincible, and so the war continued for 10 long years. You can also write down the story in short, and that means you can write down the answer in other words like Helen, the most beautiful lady on the earth, who was the queen of King Menelaus, was abducted by the prince of Troy named Paris. Therefore, there was a war between the Greeks and the Trojans for 10 long years. Full stop. So you can write down this way also. Find the story of why Helen was persuaded by the goddess Aphrodite to elope with Paris. So we will have to look for this answer on the internet. Please find an appropriate answer and write it. I give you a time of 2 days to write down the question answers and send me the images. Today is Monday. By Wednesday afternoon, I must see the images of the question answers. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.